Hi, I am Dr. Dave. Coaching has been one of the greatest gifts in my life. I show up differently, I am present, I listen better. I want to pay this forward and be your coach. An associate VP of one of the largest car manufacturers in the world said, initially, I was uncertain about what to expect or how to make the most of Dr. Dave's coaching. He challenged me to think creatively and has helped me to build more confidence when presenting my ideas to senior leadership. He listens attentively and asks clarifying questions to ensure he fully understands what I need. Be awesome. Why not you? Why not? I am affirming you. If you want to be at your awesomeness level like some of my corporate clients, visit www.drdavecoach.com. My whole person coaching will connect your mind, body, and spirit so you could be at your level of awesomeness. Like Charles Barkley says, guaranteed. Be awesome. Visit www.drdavecoach.com.